Credit Project Award is given to the team that has demonstrated the application of a new technology, process, policy, or procedure that has enhanced the quality, efficiency, and added value of one or more functions of order to cash. This year's nominees are NovaCure, Aptiv, Medtronic, Coca-Cola Euro-Pacific Partners, MOL GBS Slovakia, Schneider, nominated by my DSO manager, and my DSO manager. The Credit Project Award this year goes to a company that undertook 4 initiatives that have helped streamline O2C, resulting in a 20% FTE reduction. They developed automatic credit scoring in conjunction with their credit information supplier for customers with credit limits under 3,000 euros. They implemented a system in which the sales force can initiate the credit limit setting process for that same under 3,000 euro credit profile of customers. They have developed an early warning tracking system that has replaced the annual review process. And they have implemented an automated system around blocked orders, eliminating elements of a very manual process. Drum roll, please. This year's winner is MOL GBS Slovakia.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you. Everything, I get everything.
Congratulations.
Come and join us for a photograph. Step forward a bit, you said, yeah? Yeah. Come forward a little bit. Okay. Thank you. Anybody like to say a few words? Go on, fire away. The floor is yours.
For this award. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much in the name of GBS Slovakia and MOL Group for this award. Actually, this was the first time we made a nomination, and regarding GBS Slovakia, we are quite new, as we exist only 4 years. And with this implementation of FS2 system, we achieved a lot of efficiencies on front office, credit scoring part, and also on the back office side. So thank you very much again. We are really excited.
Congratulations.
All right, congratulations.